Hello, friend. First of all, I have to say that maybe I am wrong, but I will try my level best to solve it. First, understand the question. Okay. Central government decided to follow some control and command during this pandemic, and that command and control information are announced everywhere in country. But how it can be announced? It can announced by the officer, and communication among the officer must have top down approach. Let's see. As I am considered police officer, but you can choose as your choice. Okay. These are the officer and they are communicate to each other in top down manner. Means highest level post to lowest level. Okay. Draw a pattern as your choice, but it follows top down approach. Okay. Suppose consider my example. IAS communicate to OS and IPS. IAS is a highest level and OS and IPS is a lowest level. Highest level communicate with lowest level. It satisfy and so on. And lowest level like head constable and police constable, they cannot communicate with anyone. First part is over. Then come to the second part, means how to travels and code for that. Okay. It is a binary tree. As you know that there are some method to traverse a binary tree. Okay, let's see. These are the traversal method. P order. It follows root left right. Post order. It follow left right root. Then in order. It follow left root right, and last one is label order. It follows according to label. Okay. I am going with label order method, but you can go with any method which is suitable for you. Okay. Let's see how to travel in a binary tree. Okay, these are the algorithm. First, create an queue, and queue follows people algorithm, fast in fast out. Okay, then a temporary node. First create an empty queue हो गया. Then a is a root equal to temp node हो गया. Then condition check, it satisfy print node a equal to temp node. Enqueue the temp node. BC are the children of AV, so enqueue to the queue. Then dequeue from the queue, B dequeue from the queue. Then temp node, then another, then looping is continue, temp equal to B. Then D and E children of B, that enqueue from enqueue to the queue. Then dequeue, then dequeue C and assign as a temp node. Then temp node equal to C. Yes, temp node equal to C. Then F and G is the children of C. Then yes, temp node comes to C. Then children of F and G. Okay. Try to understand what I am going to say. Okay. In this way, loop is continue. Then come to D. There is no children, so it dequeue from the queue. Then temp node come to, okay, temp node come to F E sorry E. Then children of E, H and I. Okay. Then it NQ to Q, E, H and I. Then DQ F. And this way, in this way loop is continue. Okay. In this way we can travel. Okay. Then come to the source part. Sorry, I'm just forgot that there are three output. What are they? One is visit the all node in a tree. Okay. Then second one is number of node in a tree. Just use count variable and that declare in loop. Then solve it. Then third one is degree of each node. So all the best. Try.